Welcome back friends after the break. In today's episode, we are discussing about career prospects if one is pursuing arts and humanities. But before we further our discussion, let's meet a student who has so many questions in the mind to ask to our expert.
My name is Harun Lobo. I study in standard 10th. I go to Mary Immaculate Girls High School, Borivali, Mumbai. I want to pursue a career in arts and to my human resources. I see myself as a successful person in the field of bachelor's in mass media. My queries are, what is the percentage required to go for Xavier's College for Arts? Which are the institutions which offer a course in BMM? And what is the scope if I opt for human resources?
Well, not many questions she has. The first question I believe was like, what percentage of marks is actually required if she wants to take admission in Xavier's?
Well, talking about a well-known institute for arts, that is Xavier's, one needs to secure minimum 80 plus if they are looking to get admitted in that respective college. So even if it's an art stream, you need to have 80 plus in your 10th standard, then you get admission.
Okay, and the institute's offering BMM.
Basically, when we talk about BMM, that is Bachelor's of Mass Media, Mumbai University offers this degree. I will be just telling you the colleges in and around Mumbai offering BMM course. So you have Jai Hind College, which is at Churchgate, you have KC College, again at Churchgate, then you have Rizvi College, then you have National College, Wilson College, Sumaya. So these are the few of the colleges which offer you 3 years bachelor's degree in mass media. Now again over here, one more thing one needs to keep in mind is you don't have any centralized entrance exams, but certain colleges may take up an interview and a writing test wherein they judge your verbal skills. So it's not a mandatory thing, but it depends on the college. It may happen, it may not happen. So this is one thing that the person needs to keep in mind when they are looking at mass media as an option.
And tell me, Mukta, as she asked you, what is the scope for career in human resources?
Human resource will be one of the specializations that you get in management.
Okay.
So I think she needs to get her concepts clear about HR or media as well as arts. When we are talking about human resource, she can go ahead after her BA, she can opt for MBA and take HR as a specialization and complete her dreams. But at the initial stage, if she is really confused what HR and all is about, she needs to first focus what exactly she is looking
needs to know
out.
it first, yeah.
She needs to look out what exactly she wants to be her future, like is it arts or media or HR.
So we can frame it in this way, that arts, mass media or human resources are same yet different.
Not same we can say, because when we say arts, it's more dealing with the social science studies. If you look at media, it is an inclusion of journalism, advertisement, public relation officer, wherein you study the syllabi is different completely when you talk about BA also and BMM also. HR altogether a different story.
Okay.
So it differs. So one needs to understand all are the different bachelor's program, or probably HR is specialization at the master's level. So she needs to segregate that which is her first preference, second preference or third preference. That will probably help her to understand where to go.